Good morning, everyone. I am Avinash from BCA PPU Batch 1. I am here to present my presentation on Python that is given by respected Sanu sir. Here I have described what is Python. As we know that Python is popular programming language. It was created by Guido van Rossum and it was published in 1991. Python programs and modules are written as text files with dictionary.py extensions. Here there are some use of Python that is used in web development, software development, data analysis, machine and learning, and data engineering. Now coming to the next slide, that is some basic facts about Python. Python is open source general purpose programming language that is easy to read and it is powerful. Python is simple and easy to learn because of its English-like statement and very less coding. Python is a high-level language that will make a programmer focus on what to do instead how to do. Writing programs in Python is less time consuming compared as to any other languages. Now here I have written some data types in Python. First we will know what is data types. It is mainly used to specify the type of data. It is used to declare variable according to requirement. These are some data types in Python, that is integer, second is float, string, boolean, list, tuple, dictionary. Now I will execute some code in VS Code to show you data types in Python. Now I have already written here some code that is a is equal to 5. I will print the data types of a. As you can see here a is in type. Now second is float. First I will comment this one. Now run this code. Here we can see it is a float type. Now next one is boolean. Now here next one is string. I will run this code. And as you can see here, it is a string type as it is shown. Now next one is boolean. Here you can see it is a boolean type. Now the next one is list. Here it is shown here, it is a list. Next one is tuple. And the last one and the last one is dictionary. Here it is shown here. Now that's all by my side. Thank you.